Hi, I'm William, and today we're going to be talking about cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Now, what are cellular respiration and photosynthesis? Let's start with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the way that autotrophs, like plants but also fungi and others, are able to produce their energy. As you can see in the formula below, it takes in sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water in order to produce as their product in the reaction carbon dioxide and carbohydrates, usually glucose. And then we have its counterpart, cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, as I'm sure you've noticed, has its formula that is exactly reverse from photosynthesis, which I showed earlier. This is because cellular respiration is using water and glucose, carbohydrates, as its reactants, and carbon dioxide and water as its products, which is directly opposite from photosynthesis. This shows that photosynthesis is an anabolic reaction, as it's using energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into energy that it can use. This goes directly counterpart to cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is breaking down glucose in order to produce carbon dioxide and water. This is therefore a catabolic reaction, as it's breaking it down. Both of these reactions are necessary for all life on Earth and are cyclical. As you can see, photosynthesis produces oxygen as a byproduct, and cellular respiration produces carbon dioxide as a byproduct, therefore supplying the other one. And so through this kind of cyclical way around, cellular respiration and photosynthesis are able to produce all of the energy for life and keep life as we know it in the planet sustained. And so without the other one, whether plants or in cellular respiration's case, humans and heterotrophs, they are both able to supply what the other one needs. And so for review, photosynthesis, anabolic, involved with plants as well as some other cases of fungi, and uses light, water, and carbon dioxide in order to create oxygen and usually glucose. While on the other hand, cellular respiration is going to be using oxygen and that sugar, and it's going to be breaking that down in an anabolic way to create carbon dioxide and water. So yeah, have a good one.